Welcome to MedCore Billing Academy. In this module, you'll learn what medical billing is and why it plays a critical role in the healthcare industry. Medical billing is the process of submitting and following up on insurance claims. This process is required to receive payment for healthcare services provided to patients. It serves as the financial bridge between healthcare providers, patients, and insurance companies. The insurance company reviews the claim and determines the payment amount based on the patient's coverage. Every patient visit must be accurately documented to ensure the services performed are properly recorded. After documentation, medical coders assign standardized codes, and medical billers prepare the claim for submission.
Medical billing connects patient care to successful reimbursement, ensuring accurate and timely payments. Thank you for learning with MedCore Billing Academy.